Speaking of tracking the vaccine, DHEC says the federal government has made South Carolina and other southeastern states aware that severe weather may lead to delays in the arrival of the COVID-19 vaccine. Hence the delay today. South Carolina will continue to get its full weekly allotments of the vaccine, hopefully. But some providers may need to reschedule appointments because of these possible shipping delays, which we just laid out for you today that Prisma put out there. We did reach out to the governor's office to ask what the state is doing about the delay in vaccine shipments that we saw this week. The governor's office tells us the delay was due to human error at the CDC. So we're getting two different stories now.
The governor did say that it's been fixed, that issue. South Carolina should receive its full share of vaccines going forward. And we learned from DHEC around half of Phase 1A people have received their vaccine, but DHEC says we're still a long way from herd immunity.
And here's Fox Carolina's Margaret Ann Carter with more on today's board meeting.
South Carolina has administered more than 566,000 doses, and the estimated Phase 1A population is about 1.2 million. So we're about halfway to getting to our next phase and getting more shots in arms. However, when state leaders talk about reaching herd immunity, which the CDC estimates to be around 70% of the population, we are still far from it. A look at the most recent distribution stats for vaccines show that Pfizer's numbers have not really increased at all, while Moderna has only slightly increased. And the anticipated FDA approval of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine will help, but right now they don't know when that decision will be made. Now, the advice they're giving folks fighting that pandemic fatigue is hold on, wait patiently for your vaccine, and make sure that you get it when it's available. But until that time comes, continue to wear your mask, social distance, and just be cautious. As far as COVID-19 numbers, there is some encouraging data to that as well. The daily case count has decreased in the past 4 weeks, and they hope that trend continues.